it.
Hi, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Vanessa Ramirez, and for Wednesday, January 10th, we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets as well as the top movers to look out for today. In our headline news, the major averages finished mixed Tuesday as investors weighed upbeat news from Apple and falling oil prices against renewed concerns that 13 straight quarters of double-digit profit growth for the S&P 500 may soon come to an end. With earnings seasons officially kicking off last night with the release of Alcoa's Q4 report and worries that profit forecast may still be overly optimistic, the market exhibited a cautious tone from the opening bell to close. In fact, the lack of convictions from both buyers and sellers was further underscored in today's market internals. Advancers on the NYSE held a slim 17-14 advantage over decliners, while both advancing and declining issues on the Nasdaq remain evenly. In our small cap headlines today, China Health Holding Incorporated announced yesterday that it has executed an acquisition definitive agreement to acquire all of the assets of Zion Meichin Pharmaceutical Company Limited, based in the People's Republic of China. Under the agreement, China Health new pharmaceutical manufacturing facilities, all of whom are certified for good manufacturing practices by the China State Food and Drug Administration, along with 43 China SFDA certified for pharmaceutical drugs. China Health will also acquire real estate property totaling about 16,000 square meters. As consideration, China Health will issue 20 million common shares of its restricted common stock and pay approximately $1.5 million in cash to Zion Meichin. Previously, at 6 cents a share, China Health opens their day up at 96% or 11 cents a share with over 4 million shares traded at Tuesday's close. Centex Sensing Technology Incorporated announced yesterday that they are making an offer to purchase BenQ Siemens. Centex stated their interest is based on the strong technology of the previous Siemens R&D, as well as the market access in Europe, which produced more than 20 million high-end mobile phones in the past year to consumers. Centex is currently in discussions with several financial institutions for the strategic financing for the deal to succeed. Previously at 4 cents a share, Centex opened this morning up 36% or 5 cents a share with over 400,000 shares traded at Tuesday's close. Nighthawk Systems Incorporated announced today that it has received a second order for its PT1000 remote control boards from one of the largest U.S. wireless voice and data companies. Nighthawk announced in December that the customer was placing Nighthawk products at cell tower sites in northern New Jersey. The second order will enable Nighthawk devices to be deployed at cell sites throughout the state of New Jersey. The customer will use the PT1000s to comply with rules recently adopted by the New Jersey Department of Environmental Protection that restrict the use of diesel generators on days when the air quality in New Jersey is deemed to be unhealthy or at hazardous levels. Previously, at 7 cents a share, Nighthawk Systems opens up at 24%, close to 8 cents a share with over 15 million shares traded by Tuesday's close. And that's it for the newsmakers. Be sure to join us every market day for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also be sure to watch the Quality Stocks Daily Newsletter, available each trading day on QualityStocks.net. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Vanessa Ramirez. See you tomorrow right here on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You've got it.